we are heading towards Gopalasamy Betta, and that is the plan now. I hope that's open. If that is also closed, it's not a problem because it's like a forest region, so it shouldn't be an issue. We can at least chill there for a while. It would be a much needed break after 50 days lockdown, I would say. And the ride was awesome, as I always say. I enjoy the ride. So things like this can happen in year after, because after the COVID thing started, these kind of things will be there. But nevertheless, you always should have a plan B, and even if the plan B doesn't work, you'll have to figure out your own way. So that is how you'll have to move. This is kind of, I'm just letting you guys know, your trips at times might end up going like this, but you shouldn't be worried, or you shouldn't get pissed off for these kind of things. It's completely fine. And even the government, you can't blame the government as well, because they are taking necessary precautions to maintain it correctly. It shouldn't increase, right? And also I heard that there's a lot of cases in Mysore. So keeping all of these in mind, they just make sure that there shouldn't be much crowd. And this place looks beautiful, guys. So once I reach there, I'll continue my vlog, guys. So we are from here. I just saw the board, guys. It's just 124 kilometers to Ooty. Unbelievable, right? So we have almost rode 153 kilometers already, and another 124 kilometers we will reach Ooty. It's that simple. But soon we'll have to plan a bike trip to Ooty. Last time I had been there, but just went for a personal work and I head back home. But this time should explore few things in both Ooty and Coonoor. Right, so let's hope for the best. I love a lot of hill stations. I'm not kind of off-road person, because off-road is like a lot of ups and downs, just like how you have things in life. The same way off-road is like, off-road will you can relate your life towards the off-road trials. That is how it is. So let's see if this Gopalasamy Betta is open or not. Else we'll go there, and after that we can't have plan C and all. It's always plan A and plan B. If plan B is not working, go home. Simple. So I think we have entered Gopalasamy Betta. Not very sure. I hope it's open, but the weather is beautiful. So yeah. And if you see the landscape, it's amazing. It just looks like a wallpaper in your computer screen. So there's a lot of beautiful places around Mysore. There's a lot to explore actually. And I personally like Balmuri Falls, because I've been there like twice, and it used to be very crazy back then. So I personally don't like rain that much. Yes, it is nature's thing, and I love it at times, but not every time. So it shouldn't be rainy nor sunny. It should be a weather like this. Then it's peaceful. But still, I think it's drizzling. I'll just wipe my lens. Cool. I think we reached the place. There. Off-road. So wow, this looks beautiful. This is just a nice place. It's sunflower. Looks damn good. We just stopped here for a while. How was the trip? How was the trip?
It was awesome.
How was the ride?
Peaceful, bro.
Peaceful.
Nice place.
Nice place.
Unexpected, right?
Unexpected ride.
Unexpected from Chamundi Hills to Gopalasamy.